Hi! In front of me is ALCATEL 1SE Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Security. Following that, tap on Screen Lock and tap on the best login method for you: pattern, PIN, or password. Now you finally get to create it. Select Next at the bottom right corner. Repeat it in order to confirm it, and then select Confirm at the bottom right corner again. Lastly, answer this question: how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? By tapping on one of those answers. Show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. When you are finished, select Done at the bottom. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!